Hello friends, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I have authored more than 50 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness the Lama has written a foreword. In this short video, I'll talk about recession. 14 years back, I had a problem because I worked in a research department and the department was closed. Entire department was closed, so I had lots of challenges. But I was very positive and I became more resilient. And I took it as an opportunity and I became a visiting faculty. I became a trainer. I set a vision 2030, 1 million global leaders, and I reinvented with the changing times and technologies. So don't get setback when you get any because of recession and the financial challenges. You have to reinvent with the changing times and technologies. Let me share with you my challenge. Uh, 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 I was blessed to be alive on the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I was born in a toxic family and I grew up in a toxic environment. And I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I'm dyslexic with ADHD. Despite all the challenges, I bounced back uh, uh, like a phoenix. So the message from this video is that there were some companies because of the recession, they reinvented and some more companies came. So be positive and don't treat it as a setback and be positive. And also instead of calling recession, you call it as a downturn, because downturn is an opportunity to be resilient and to grow globally. Thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel.